It's going to be a very hard thing to concede because we know there was massive fraud.
In yet another blow to President Donald Trump's effort to overturn the election, a federal appeals court on Friday rejected an attempt by the Trump campaign to block President-elect Joe Biden from being declared the winner of Pennsylvania. On behalf of the three-judge panel, one wrote, "Charges require specific allegations and then proof. We have neither here." On to SCOTUS, Trump campaign attorney Jenna Ellis wrote on Twitter after the ruling, referring to an appeal. Pennsylvania this week certified Biden as its winner by 80,000 votes, in turn giving Biden all of the state's 20 electoral votes needed for him to clinch the presidency. But Trump has refused to concede. He continues to claim, without evidence, of widespread voter fraud, tweeting Friday, "Biden can only enter the White House as president if he can prove that his ridiculous 80 million votes were not fraudulently or illegally obtained." The Trump campaign has failed to convince judges of election irregularities in Michigan, Georgia, Arizona, and Nevada, all critical to Biden's victory.
This is a fraud.
But despite calling the election unfair time and time again,
if you count the legal votes, I easily win.
Trump said on Thursday he will leave the White House if the Electoral College votes for Biden when it meets on December 14th, the closest he has come to conceding.
If the Electoral College does elect President-elect Joe Biden, are you not going to leave this building?
Just so you, certainly I will. Certainly I will. And you know that.
On Monday, Trump's administration cleared the way for a Biden transition, giving him access to briefings and funding, even as Trump vowed to keep fighting the election results. Separately, the U.S. Postmaster General Louis DeJoy and Trump late Friday appealed a federal judge's ruling suspending Postal Service changes and requiring aggressive steps to ensure ballot deliveries ahead of the November election. That's according to the Justice Department. It is not immediately clear what impact the appeal would have at this late stage, given that the final deadlines for accepting ballots by mail have passed.